Hello everyone, my name is Aadityaamlan Panda and I am studying in class 12th St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Sambalpur. And in this video, we are going to discuss the various aspects of carbon footprint and especially the different ways of reducing our carbon footprint. According to World Health Organization, a carbon footprint is a measure of the impact your activities have on the amount of carbon dioxide produced through burning of fossil fuels and is expressed as a weight of carbon dioxide emissions produced in tons called carbon dioxide equivalents. Primary greenhouse gases of the Earth's atmosphere include water, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, and ozone. It also includes carbon emitted by direct and indirect transmission. Carbon footprint was derived from the concept of ecological footprint developed by William E. Rees and Matthias Walker-Nagel. Ecological footprint is a technique followed by a global footprint network to measure the human demand on natural capital or the innate stock of resources. The idea of a personal carbon footprint was, however, popularized by an advertising campaign of the fossil fuel company BP plc. In 2005, it was designed by Ogilvy, which diverted the attention from industry to individual. It provided several ways for people to go on a low carbon diet. There are various ways to calculate carbon footprints. Personal carbon footprints can be calculated by carbon footprint calculators available online. For industry, the process becomes rather complex as it requires the life cycle assessment, which is the assessment of environmental impacts associated with all the stages of the life cycle of a commercial product, process, or service. Livestock, mainly beef, is a major contributor. 1 kilogram of beef has the same amount of emissions as driving your car about 160 miles. Methanogens in the rumen of cow are capable of digesting coarse plant material and produce methane. Processed foods have higher emissions than fresh food, as it includes transportation, production in factories, and additional packaging. Home energy consumption is a major contributor due to poor insulation, energy inefficient appliances, burning of wood and fossil fuels, and excessive water use. Transportation significantly contributes to carbon footprint simply because driving car causes pollution and releases large number of greenhouse gases. Industries which have poor processing systems release large amount of oxides of sulfur and oxygen as well as nitrogen along with carbon dioxide and suspended particulate matters. Hence, they too have a major contribution towards increasing carbon footprints. There are several ways for reducing the carbon footprints. They are using sustainable transport. Low carbon vehicles can reduce carbon footprints. Electric cars emit no carbon dioxide as they are charged with electricity which has no associated carbon emissions. Efficient driving, like not speeding and accelerating unnecessarily and avoiding traffics, as these reduce mileage and increase carbon dioxide emissions. Improving home energy efficiency by insulating and sealing it properly and through weather stripping and caulking. And the use of energy efficient appliances like LED in place of fluorescent bulb and incandescent lamp. Recycling and composting helps to reduce carbon emission associated with provision of goods. Replacement of conventional source of energy derived from fossil fuels with wind energy, solar energy, and nuclear energy. These have been found to be effective in reducing carbon footprints as they don't produce carbon dioxide on combustion. Stop climate change before it changes you. Thank you for watching.